Welcome to Simple Songs video number 2. I miss you. I hope you're doing a lot of singing and dancing and moving and grooving and playing with your family. Soon we will be together again. Let's start today with Closet Key. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. Would you tap the steady beat while I sing again? I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. This is what the solfege looks like. Starts on do. Do, do, mi, mi, do, do, mi. Do, do, mi, mi, re, mi. Do, do, mi, mi, do, do, mi. Do, do, mi, mi, re, do. Can you sing the solfege without me singing it? I'll help you with the signs. Ready, go. Very good. This time let's sing it with the words, and I will play the melody on the barred instrument. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. I will play it again. Sing the words on your own this time. Ready, go. Very nice. Now there's a game you can play with this. I have some keys handy. You may have some keys lying around your house, but goodness sakes, don't hide your parents' car keys because that would be very bad. But find some keys, and this is a hot and cold game. So someone hides the keys. Let's say I hide them up here on Donkey's head. And then someone else who has had their eyes closed starts trying to find them by using their listening ears. The person who hid the keys is singing, I have lost my closet key. And if the person is really far away, they sing quietly, I have lost my closet key. And the person looking for them searches and listens and searches and listens. Does the singer get louder? That means they're getting closer. This is what it would look like. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. I have lost my closet key in my lady's garden. Did you hear how my song got louder when my walking fingers got closer to the keys? Now the trick to this is not to scream because that hurts everyone's ears. You want to use your beautiful singing voices all the time when you're quiet and when you're loud. Okay? But it's still not shouting or screaming. Our next song is Johnny Has One Friend. Johnny has one friend, one friend, one friend. Johnny has one friend, then he has two. Johnny has two friends, two friends, two friends. Johnny has two friends, then he has three. Johnny has three friends, three friends, three friends. Johnny has three friends, then he has four. Johnny has four friends, four friends, four friends. Johnny has four friends, then he has five. And if you want to get fancy, you can count by twos. Johnny has two friends, two friends, two friends. Johnny has two friends, then he has four. Johnny has four friends, four friends, four Johnny has 4 friends, then he has 6. Johnny has 6 friends, 6 friends, 6 friends. Johnny has 6 friends, then he has 8. Johnny has 8 friends, 8 friends, 8 friends. Johnny has 8 friends, then he has 10. Our next song is Riding in a Buggy, Miss Mary Jane. Be a horse on your knees, here we go. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, I'm a long way from home. Same job on your knees. I'm going to use the barred instrument. Here we go, riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, I'm a long way from home. Now, if you don't have a xylophone handy and your hands don't make a loud sound, I recommend your daddy's shoes. They make good clomping sounds on the floor. So go find them. Go grab daddy's shoes, boots. Make sure they don't have mud on the bottom. All right, let's clomp some horse sounds on the floor while we sing. Here we go, riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, I'm a long way from home. You know, that was fun, but what if you put your feet in your daddy's shoes? I'll use my hands, but you use your feet. And then you can stomp back and forth. Here we go. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, I'm a long way from home. Very nice. I will accompany you one more time. You can put your shoes wherever you want, on your hands or your feet. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane, Miss Mary Jane. Riding in a buggy, Miss Mary Jane, I'm a long way from home. Our final song is Charlie Over the Ocean. This is a musical instrument called a whiro. It is painted and it looks like a fish. If you look really close, you can see the fish's eyes and the fish's mouth. And you can play the whiro by holding the holes and scraping, or you can hold its tail. All right, I'm going to hold its holes. The way the song goes sounds like this. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me, can't catch me. Now, you can sing it 2 different ways. The first way is there can be a leader. I'll be the leader, and then everyone else echoes. That's you. I'll keep playing the fish whiro. You sing your echo. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me. That was very good. The other way you can sing it is where everyone sings all the parts. So you sing the leader part and the echo part. Here we go. Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me, can't catch me. And this song is fun to play in a game like Duck, Duck, Goose. So everyone sits in a circle, and either the person walking can be the leader singer, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie over the sea. Or everyone can sing all the parts like we did the last time. And then, can't catch me, can't catch me. And Charlie taps someone sitting in the circle and then runs around the circle and races back to the spot, the hole, where the person chasing them left. Let's sing the song one more time. We'll sing both parts. Here we go, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the ocean, Charlie over the sea, Charlie over the sea. Charlie caught a big fish, Charlie caught a big fish, can't catch me, can't catch me. I hope you have fun playing that game, and I will see you again soon.